Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by physically connecting the two computers with an Ethernet cable and confirming admin access on both. Once connected, disable Wi-Fi so traffic goes only over the cable. Then assign static IPs, for example 192, 168, 10, 1 and 192, 168, 10, 2 with a 255, 255, 255, 0 mask, so both systems see one another immediately. Make sure file sharing services are enabled on each device and firewall. Now configure the actual sharing protocol and permissions so you can move files securely. On Windows, enable file and printer sharing and set NTFS or share permissions for the chosen folder. On Mac OS, enable file sharing and add users or guest access as required. Next, choose SMB or SFTP for transfer and map the network drive or connect via Finder/Explorer using the static IP. Finally, validate connectivity by pinging the other machine and listing the shared folder to confirm you can see its contents. With shares accessible, perform the transfer using drag and drop for small batches or use rsync/robocopy for large, resumable copies to maintain permissions and speed. Once complete, verify integrity by checking file sizes or computing checksums to ensure nothing corrupted. When done, remove the static IPs or re-enable DHCP if needed, and re-enable Wi-Fi. If something goes wrong, check firewall rules, confirm IP addresses, swap the cable, and restart the sharing service. These steps solve most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.